Welcome, myself Dr. Sandeep Garg, Associate Professor, Electronics and Communication, Oriental College of Technology, Bhopal. Today I am going to discuss protective measures against coronavirus and what are its symptoms. Coronavirus is a virus that causes a disease called COVID-19, that is called coronavirus disease 2019. This disease causes illness such as common cold, fever, cough and shortness of breath. Some basic protective measures against coronavirus are: first is maintain hand hygiene. Regularly and thoroughly clean your hands with an alcohol-based hand rub or wash them with soap and water for 30 seconds. Second, maintain social distance. Maintain at least 1 meter distance between yourself and anyone who is coughing or sneezing. If it may happen that when the person is coughing or sneezing, then some droplets can come to you, and after breathing the droplets can go inside your mouth and can cause corona. So maintain 1 meter distance with the person which is coughing or sneezing. Third is avoid touching eyes, nose and mouth. Hands touch many surfaces and can pick up viruses. Once contaminated, hands can transfer the virus to your nose, eyes or mouth. From these, the virus can enter your body and can make you sick. So please avoid touching eyes, nose and mouth. Another safety measure is practice respiratory hygiene. Cover your mouth and nose with your bent elbow or tissue when you cough or sneeze. Then dispose of the used tissue immediately. Do not cover your mouth with hands. Next point is seek medical care in case of fever, cough and difficult breathing. Stay at home if you are unwell. If you are feeling unwell, if you have fever, cough and difficulty breathing, seek medical attention and call helpline in advance. Follow the direction of your local health authority. Next safety measure is stay informed and follow advice given by your healthcare provider. Stay informed on the latest developments about COVID-19. Follow advice given by your healthcare provider, your national and local public health authority, or your employer on how to protect yourself and others from COVID-19. Strictly follow that advice. Now, some common symptoms of coronavirus infection. First is fever. One of the most common symptoms of COVID-19 is fever, which will develop within 14 days after contact with the coronavirus person. Second symptom is dry cough. Dry cough is common COVID-19 symptom rather than a wet cough. Whenever you find yourself with this symptom, call your doctor immediately. Another is shortness of breath. People infected with COVID-19 experience trouble breathing, which is another symptom of the disease.